And who says the UK doesn't get blizzards? Look at it, you can barely see the ground. The bonsai are struggling to keep together in this frosty, snowy weather. Even now, snow lays on the benches, thick, deep. I mean, that's almost 2 millimeters thick. Don't know how we'll manage to get by. More larches, elms, trying desperately to hide from the ravages of this deep, deep snow. The elderberry, desperate for their repots, still wait, shivering. And yes, my lemon has been allowed to give up the ghost, resigned to the scrapyard of many of my bonsai. No repots today, hot chocolate and some Netflix.